made it. It's hot today too. We gotta go to the...
It's not that bad.
It's hot as heck.
It could be worse.
We have to go to the check-in station to get a campsite. Hopefully it's not all sold out. So what just happened?
I mean, like from the beginning when we got here?
Okay. So we had to look for a campsite.
Right.
And then found one. It was a pretty good one. I'll show you the view. But basically, the last time this tent was used, probably 2 years ago. And I don't mean this one. That one over there. Yeah, that's what happened. Tent didn't have pegs, or tent pegs.
The zipper was broken.
The zipper was broken. We didn't want to sleep with a bunch of bugs, so we had to go to Walmart. That's right, go to Walmart. And Lisa bought a brand new one, so this is her tent.
So you're keeping it though. I want it.
She's donating me a tent. So I'm sure the area we're staying at. Oh, what the heck? As you can see, don't have any neighbors that are really close, which is really good. I don't like being close to people. There's not a lot of people staying here, but I'm just gonna anticipate that there's gonna be a lot of people coming later at night. But oh, yeah, I think so. We got set up pretty early. Here's our tent. Ozark Trail, $25, super simple. This is the side chick I'm taking out today. And then down here's the river. There's some other neighbors down there, but they're pretty far. They're like at least 40 yards away, 50 maybe. Show you the cribbo. As you can see, we got the fancy step thing. Got a mallet in case anybody wants to square up. This is gonna be the castle tonight, baby. Out here fishing now. Well, we're fishing. We're not really catching, basically, if you know what I'm saying. Fishing, not really catching. This fool over here stuck. Hopefully I can get on a fish soon. Got a bluegill so far. Dude in front of me has got a trout. Little kid over there is hooked up a little bit, but he never really pulled one in yet. We'll catch one in right here, hopefully. I'm just using power bait. Classic trout method. Not very effective. So we're going to swim now. No fish, dude. No fish. Swim, kind of rinse ourselves. I brought body wash. Heck yeah, I'm gonna use it in this freaking water. I don't care. But I'm gonna get as clean as I can. Waiting for Lisa Thor. Currently cooking right now because the top is shit hot. The top is too tall. Stand up and do it. Cooking right now, Lisa, right? Eee. Got my margarita in hand. Got some steaks. No fish. I was planning to catch fish so I can cook some fish, but unfortunately, did not catch any fish today. Just cooking some sirloin and butter. You know how we do, or you know how I do at least. Very simple, but it works. Oh. Throw the next one on there. Don't want to splash on me. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect right there. Not too cooked. I like it like that. All right, babe. Steak is ready a little bit. Come try it out. Morning. Good morning, folks. Didn't get any sleep at all because it was so hot, so humid, couldn't breathe sometimes. But Princess over here getting that good sleep. I couldn't sleep at all though, so I'm just gonna clean up a little bit early. Feel gross, feel sweaty, so yeah, it's a little too hot. So good though. Look at Princess.